this year, not permanently, for a short period of time, and keep this house. But when she passed away,
oh, that was dusty.
Screeching halt. We're kind of thinking about it again, just kind of for like a change of scenery.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys this look that I created a couple of days ago. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I am back, and with no further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to do an eye-opening look with a bold lip. Now I am taking my handy dandy Morphe M218 fluffy blender brush, and I'm taking whatever skin tone color you have, and I'm buffing it on the outer corner of my eye. We're going to be buffing that in back and forth. Windshield wiper motions. Now I am taking my Morphe Y15 brush, and I'm taking a darker shade, and I'm just focusing that on the outer part of my eye. Now don't focus on my nails because I did need to get them done back when I did this video. Like I said, it's been a while. I'm just now getting back to editing it because, you know, life happens, so gotta focus on yourself. But I am back, and I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be doing makeup videos for you guys again, so hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just really going to be going over what I do whenever I want to have an eye-opening effect on my eyeballs. I'm not really going to be going in depth as far as this skin, like foundation concealer wise, just because it does get a little redundant, and I didn't do a full coverage like I usually do. Something light, some slight, none serious, like my sister would say. So here I'm just buffing the darker color that I chose from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm buffing that in windshield wiper motions, focusing that more on the outer part of the eye, just because that it's really the look I'm trying to go for. As far as the white inner corner on the eye, we are going to be doing that in just a second. I'm taking my R39 and I'm focusing a little more color on the outer part of the eye, making it a little bit more denser. Now after I have that done, I'm going to be going in with my flat packer brush from Morphe. Any flat packer brush that you have, whatever floats your boat. Just take any white stark shade, and I mixed mine with a kind of like a tan skin tone-y type of color, just because I didn't want it to be too stark white, but I wanted you to actually tell that there was shadow on there. So I just mixed a white with a skin tone color brown, and I'm just going to be packing that, as you see me doing here, on both eyes. Now packing the white on the inner corner of the eye just gives it a little more eye-opening effect, just in case you want to open your eyes up a little bit. And as you can see here, my skin has been going through it. Don't mind it. Foundation covers up everything. Too bad it doesn't cover up the issues that you have going on in your life. But it covers up most. So whatever it can do, anything works. My skin has really been going through it now that I look back at this. Oh, that's crazy. But like I said, I'm not going for a heavy set or heavy face, so I'm not really going for full coverage today. After I blend my concealer out, I am going to bake off camera. I did use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder just in case y'all were wondering. And to open the eyes up a little bit more, I am packing some of that white shade that I mixed with that brown shade a little further out on the inner corner of the eye, almost touching the inner rim of the nose right there, just to open the eyes up way more. I'm going to be going ahead and I'm going to bronze the face. I'm not doing it in any really particular way. I'm just giving my cheekbones a little bit of color, which is what they need, especially that side of the face. Oh, turn back, turn back. There you go. And a little highlight never hurt anybody. So I'm taking in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in that glow. And I honestly just mix every shade. Now I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. Don't know what they okay, can't talk. Don't know what shade this is, but I will be linking it in the description, or most likely I will edit it in the video here. But I'm just going to be basically putting on lipstick. We all know how to do this. We don't need instructions. And after I do my lips, I will be coating my eyelashes to get ready for the falsies. After I do that, I am completely done with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so glad to be back. I do have many more videos coming your way, so don't make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't make sure. Subscribe. You know you want to see me. Love you guys. Bye.
Fresh glaze